Hey guys, so I'm back with another video, and today I'm going to be showing you guys this makeup look. It's super simple, super easy. Before I hop into the details of this video, make sure you guys are subscribed if you end up liking this video. Also, if you do not want to miss an upload and be alerted every time I upload a video, make sure your notifications are turned on so you are alerted whenever that happens. And yeah, so today for this video, I'm going to be showing you this look. I'm going to show you the entire look from start to finish, I believe, but I wanted to try out one of the palettes, the new palettes from Juvia's Place. This is the Nubian Glow palette, which has some really pretty orangey, yellow, goldy kind of colors, which is right up my alley. It's super easy, super simple, and I wanted to do something super wearable. I didn't want to do anything too crazy. I kind of wanted to keep this look pretty neutral, so I hope you guys enjoy it. And yeah, let's hop into the video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Again, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and turn your notifications on so you do not miss a upload. All the products that I use throughout the video I will have listed down in the description box, so you guys can check it out as always. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Oh, I know you guys are gonna ask me about my hair. This is a blowout, and I did kind of like a braid out, like I braided the roots and twisted the ends, and I just used my hair and body butter, which you guys can find on my shop at shop.TotalDivaRea.com, which will be linked down in the description box as well. I know you guys are gonna ask about my hair. That's what I did. It's super soft, super moisturized. So if you guys want to check that out, you can get that on my shop. And yeah, let's hop into the video, and I will see you guys next time. Bye guys. Okay, so I am back with another video, and I apologize ahead of time if my voice sounds a little bit funny. I've actually been doing voiceovers all day, and I really wanted to get these done today so I can get some videos out for you guys for the next couple of weeks. But I'm going in first with my primer for my face, or my first primer. It's the Too Faced Primed and Poreless primer, so that I can kind of sit on my face while I'm working at my eyes. I'm going in with the Juvia's Place concealer in the shade number 11 to prime my eyes and to get rid of any discoloration. Next, I'm going in with the orange shade from the Nubian Glow palette, which is kind of the palette I'm using for the most part for most of this look. I'm using that to go in to my transition kind of crease area and kind of build it up. This is probably going to be one of the main colors that you're going to see on the look. So I really was building this up and kind of took my time building it up. A little bit of the yellow from that palette, and I just kind of blended that on top just to give it kind of like a nice little sunsetty kind of look, and just kind of blend it up, not too much. This is again not one of the main colors that I wanted to kind of showcase, but it was really that orange in the palette. Next, I go in with kind of like a kind of brown shade. This is, it's either from the Vanessa palette or from the Taupe palette, or not the Taupe palette, the News palette from Juvia's Place. It's from one of those palettes. Excuse me, the brown that is in there, and I'm just kind of working that really into the crease and a little bit on top of the orange that I put. But I don't remember if it's from the Vanessa and Juvia's Place palette or the Nudes palette. I think it's the Vanessa one, but any brown will do, honestly. Next, I'm going to go on with some concealer. This step is actually kind of irrelevant. You didn't really have to do it because I was thinking something and it just didn't work out the way that I wanted to, so I ended up changing it as I was working. But I went and applied some concealer. Again, you don't have to do this. You can completely skip this step because it was not necessary for what I ended up doing. And then I'm going to go going with this brown shade, and this is kind of what I was saying. I kind of used the wrong brush, and then I'm packing it on, and it's not really picking up the way that I want it to. But I do use this brown, the same brown that I used in my crease, to apply on my lid. I kind of just want it to be like a nude kind of look, like all matte nude look. I've done one of these before, but putting the concealer there just didn't help, because usually I would only use the concealer to use like satin shades. So I honestly just went back in with that orange and the brown that I used and kind of just blended out where I put that concealer, just so it's kind of just all one, you know, gradient kind of effect, and that just kind of fixed the issue that I was having. But again, you can skip that second concealer application and literally just apply that brown shade on top of your already dried concealer. So it would have been just fine had I did that, but I wasn't really thinking, and I wasn't really sure of the direction I was going with this look. So yeah, that's why I did that. Now I'm going to go in and apply my wing liner. I just use the MYX matte liquid liner, my go-to. It's the one that I always use. It's my favorite. And I'm just going to do my liner before I remove my tape, just because, you know, putting tape just makes it go by so much quicker for me. I did apply lashes off camera. I used my Ardell baby lashes, or baby demi wispies lashes. Next, I'm going to go in with the Too Faced Hangover Primer, and I'm just going to apply that all over my face and neck. And I'm just going to set my primer. I'm using the Namib pressed powder from Juvia's Place, I believe. Yeah, I'm using that powder just to set the primer. It's just a little red, and the reason I kind of use this because the Il Makiage is kind of a lot more yellow, so I kind of use this particular color just to kind of help with the color a little bit. Next, I'm going in with the Il Makiage foundation. I believe this is in the shade 170. This was probably the first time that I used this foundation overall from all the videos. I think I showed it maybe one other video before this, but this was the actual day that I first used the foundation. If you guys want me to do a review on it, let me know. I definitely will. But I went in with that foundation and just applied it all over my face, just to give myself a nice even base. Now I'm just going to color correct. I kind of should have did this under foundation, but it's okay. It worked out. I'm using my Black Radiance corrector and just blending it out with a beauty blender, and then I do go back over it with the foundation brush that I used to blend out my foundation, just to kind of make sure it doesn't like stand out and it's blended in really nicely. Now I'm going back in with the Juvia's Place concealer in the shade number 11, applying that under my eyes and the high points of my face, my forehead, and my chin, and down the bridge of my nose. Next, I'm going to go in with the Juvia's Place powder. This is in the shade Kalahari, and I'm just going to use that to set the high points under my eyes, my forehead, bridge of my nose, chin, same place I applied that concealer. Now I'm just going to line my waterline with one of my MYX liners. For this, I will have all the products listed down in the description box that I used for this video, so don't worry if I skip something or you want to know what I used. Everything will be down in the description box with links if you are guys are interested in checking any of the products out that I mentioned in this video, just to let you guys know. Now I'm just going in with that yellow and orange and just kind of, you know, doing my usual, making it all concise and look nice underneath my lash line. And I'm just kind of dusting away any excess powder that was in that eye area. Now I'm going to set my face with my usual, this is the Mon pressed powder, just a balm powder. Can't go wrong with it, so that's the one I'm going to use. contour, I'm using my Black Radiance contour palette per usual, and I'm just going to contour. I realized I did not use any type of cream or liquid contour under or above my foundation, so I kept this look pretty much natural as far as the complexion is concerned, or actually the whole look for the most part, and I just contour with the powder only. And then I'm just going to go in with that nice kind of, not the yellow at the top, the yellow all the way at the bottom of the Nubian Glow palette, all the way the last one. And I just went in and applied that as my inner tear duct highlight. It was really pretty when I did this. This is kind of when I was like, okay, I like how this looks. I really like how this looks. I'm using the shade, I believe this is Cola, to line my lips. And sorry, I'm a little bit out of frame for the lips portion, guys, but you will see it at the end. I apologize. But I'm going with the shade Cola just to line my lips, which is a nice brown. The shade is from Juvia's Place as well. And then I'm going to go on with one of their lip glosses and the Caramel Rose, I believe it is, and apply that to my lips. I love this lip gloss, guys. Like, this lip gloss is so bomb, this combo. And I'm not like a big lip gloss where you guys know I'm a liquid matte girl or matte lipstick girl, but their lip glosses are really nice. And that is it for the look, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.